People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. And as much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.